In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an email list in Freshsales CRM. So whether you're managing a sales team or running your own business, having your contacts organized within Freshsales can be a real game changer. Let's dive in and see just how straightforward this process can be. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Freshsales website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. After you click Login, you'll need to enter your email address to continue signing in. It's important to have your credentials handy so that you can easily and securely access your account. Once you're successfully logged into Freshsales, let's proceed to the next step. You'll want to navigate to the Contacts section. This can be found on the left panel of your dashboard. Clicking on Contacts will lead you to a familiar layout where you manage all the existing contact information. At this point, in the top right corner, you should see an option that says Import Contacts. Clicking this might feel like magic, as it opens up the pathway to adding all those crucial contacts into your CRM system quickly and efficiently. Now, when you click Import Contacts, Freshsales will prompt you to select the file type. You'll want to choose CSV or Excel. These file formats are typically the standard for spreadsheets, making it easier to organize and manage contact details. Following this selection, go ahead and click Next. The system will guide you to the next screen where you can proceed to upload your file. Here you'll see the Upload File button. Click on that, and it will allow you to browse through your computer to locate and select your CSV file. Remember to ensure that your data is well organized in the CSV file, with column headers that correspond to fields in Freshsales. Once you've selected your file, there's an opportunity to double-check which fields to import. The system will display various fields, allowing you to uncheck any you don't currently need except for email, which is essential for the contacts list. This selective filtering can be incredibly useful to maintain a clean and efficient database. After verifying the necessary fields, click Next again. You're almost at the finish line. Finally, you'll see the Import Now button. Clicking Import Now initiates the process of uploading your contacts into the CRM. Voila! You've successfully imported your email list into Freshsales. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, your contacts are now neatly organized and ready for action within Freshsales CRM. With these newfound skills, managing your sales leads will be more streamlined and effective. Thanks for following along, and as always, happy CRM managing.